The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, and your concern. Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later, a collection of mistakes called experience, which leads you to height of success. You'll never be brave if you don't get hurt. You'll never learn if you don't make mistakes. You'll never be successful if you don't encounter failure. Pain is like a wound. Someday it will heal and turn into scar. It won't hurt anymore, but the memories will remain. If you want to build a self-confidence, you have to do what you're afraid to do. The pain you feel today is the strength you'll have tomorrow. Take a deep breath. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. The most valuable currency in your life is time. Spend it wisely. Find someone who is proud to have you, scared to lose you, fight for you, appreciates you, respects you, cares for you, and loves you. An intelligent person. Keep 3 things private at any cost. 1. Financial details. 2. Personal goals. 3. Their struggle and failures. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. The longer a person is single, the greater is his desire to remain single.